Hey guys, so today is Monday, happy Monday, and happy Monday, JJ says. We are close to, right, we're going to the doctor for Rai. She has her 6 month checkup. Yep, JJ's holding her hand. When really, well, actually, we're getting Chick-fil-A, right, or Jack in the Box right now, so hold on. Hold the phone. Are you hungry, JJ? Yeah? Okay. Anyways, okay, so we're at Jack in the Box getting some breakfast because we're a little bit early, and I planned on that because I didn't get breakfast for Jaelynn this morning, or for me at home. So it's her appointment at 9:30, and it is 9 o'clock right now, so that'll give us time to eat in the parking lot because you can't eat inside, and then we'll go inside for a little bit so that Rhilynn can kind of wake up and whatnot. But Jaelynn has school from 8 to 11, and normally she used to ride, they switched her bus schedule, so she used to ride the bus and she would get home around like 12:30, so I would always schedule Rhilyn's appointments for super early so I would make it back home by the time she got off the bus. Well, now her new bus, she gets home at 11:15 because she's the first stop rather than the last stop. So I had to just keep her home from school and take her with me to the appointment because I didn't want to risk not getting back in time, because the doctor that we use, very popular, and he's amazing in our area. I mean, he's really good, and so I drive 45 minutes to get to him. It's worth it, so for both of the girls. It takes him a long time because he's always booked, and he's always booked in advance and, you know, scheduled out in advance, so it takes a long time, and you have to wait probably longer than you normally have to wait for a doctor. So anyways, do that, and then we're gonna run to Target. I have to sneeze. Because I have to get onesies for Rhilynn. She needs just basic white onesies because she outgrew the other ones, and then I have to get a couple of oh, hold on. Thank you. You too. Alright guys, so we are out. Oh, it's now kind of hot. But anyways, everything went good. She is 18 pounds, which I actually said that she was 18 pounds, and Michael and Nona were saying she was more. Mommy's always right. But anyway, she's 18 pounds and 25 inches long, I think. I already told you where we're going. And I think that was pretty much all the good stuff, but we have to get x-rays on her hips because they're a little bit uneven. And I actually, when I was born with one of my hips were broken, which they initially just thought, well, I mean, not initially, but they thought it was just from, you know, the whole birthing process. But since I did have that issue, they wanted to make sure everything's okay, and I've always had issues with my hips since then. So they just want to make sure everything's okay. She's had like her creases and stuff on her thighs and her butt. If you have kids, you know they check that or whatever. They've been uneven since she was born, so he's waited this long basically to make sure to see if they would even out, and they haven't. They're a lot better. They were like seriously, she had an entire another crease on one of her thighs when she was born, and now she has the same amount of creases. They're just a little, so they're just slightly off. So we're gonna go get x-rays of them. I have to call Children's Mercy, which is where they get their x-rays done at, and get that scheduled and stuff. So I'll do that when I get home, but get that done. Everything else was good. He gave me the okay to start feeding her egg yolks, and also to start feeding her table food, as far as her like in her high chair for her to be able to like grab them herself. So that's fun. And I think that's it. So we're at Target now. I just pulled in. It was literally right by the doctor's office. So now we're getting ready to get all the stuff that I said. We'll take you along with us. I don't think there's a Starbucks in here. I wish there was. I think they built one close though. So we're in Target and they have a lot of cute stuff. I think they're putting out their spring stuff. So we got, yeah, you can have some. They did have a Starbucks. So I got a black tea lemonade. Jaelynn got a marshmallow dream, but Rice Krispie treat. Her black ones, Sheeta, these heart ones, and then these gray ones with heart on like the knees. But I was looking at this. It's really pretty. So I think that'll be it for right now.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. This dress is really cute.
Yeah.
Okay guys, quick little Target haul before I kind of start putting stuff away and cleaning. I'm like behind on all of my daily cleaning stuff because I left right when I had to drop Michael off and go to the doctor's appointment. So alright, so just really quickly, I got this to store our mail in, and I just remembered that I actually already had one, but it's okay. It's this or you can see it, Threshold collection, and then the rest is house stuff, literally, and stuff for the girls, like I said. So house stuff, I needed more bleach, and I wanted to try this. I didn't know. Supposedly you can pour directly on fabrics, which will be interesting. So it's My Ultimate Care bleach, and this was just like $2. It was just under $2. It feels a little, hold on. Anyways, so I got this, focus. So it's just under $2, so I picked that up. I need to get more cleaning spray, so I just went ahead and got the radish one. And then I got another one, but anyways, then I got more laundry detergent that we needed. I got the Woolite Dark, and I also got the bigger one of the All, or whatever it's called, Woolite for everything, or whatever. What's it called? Everyday. There you go. Got the big one of that one. I got this for our shower, so hopefully it'll help with cleaning. It's just a longer little thing rather than using just the regular one or my magic eraser, which is what I normally use. And then this is the other one. I wanted to try it. It's from the Honest Company multi-surface cleaner. It smelled really good. It's white grapefruit. This thing is not focusing. There we go. So I picked that up. It was on sale. And then I got more sponges, which I need. I love these. They just, I don't know, I feel like these are the best. Ocello or whatever. So I got the pack of 6 and then just a pack of 3. Let's see, what else is cleaning? I guess this is cleaning. I got some Unstoppables in the vanilla scent. And I got I need to get more shaving gel. I don't know, I'm not really too picky about shaving gel, so I just got this. It was on clearance for $2.98, so I got 2 of those. Jaelynn got a mask.
What the heck is it anyway?
We'll put it on. There we go. That just took forever.
They keep not saying.
I did show them. I got this scrub for Michael. He needed an exfoliant, so I just got this for him for now. I normally buy better skincare products, me being kind of like a skincare addict, but this is good for right now, just so he would have something to use. I got some black soap for him as well because he just has problems with acne on his body, so use that in the shower. And then the clothes for the girls. I got a piece of cheese. See, I didn't vacuum. You haven't vacuumed yet. I got this for Jaelynn, which is super cute. It's this little, like, very lightweight, like, hoodie type of situation, and it's like a high-low type of deal, and it says smile, and it has a half a donut. So I got that for her, and I got her, like I said, leggings. So I got black, and then the same ones that I showed you guys, those, and the leopard, and then these, and I believe that that is it. And then for Rhilynn, I got her these because she's a fat butt, and so I think she can fit these. These are a 12-month I'm gonna put them on her, and I'm guaranteeing that she can fit them. They're probably gonna be a little bit too big, but I mean, the 6 month that she has right now are getting on the tighter side, so I feel like she'll be able to fit these no problem. So I got these. I'm gonna, obviously if she can't wear them, I will take them back, but I'm pretty sure she can fit them. And if she can't, she'll be able to fit them in like a month, so it's worth keeping. But I got those, and I also got this shirt in a 12 month as well. I just thought it was cute. A little glittery bow. Yeah, my kid is a little fatty, but, and it just fit with the weight size. Well, oh, actually, oh no, that's inches. This says, can you guys see? 20 to 23 pounds, and she is 18 pounds, so yeah. I mean, a little bit too big, but I mean, seriously not that far off. What does this say? Same thing, 20 to 23. So I got those. These were on sale, these little boots. I thought they were cute, and why not? They're 12 months, or 6 to 12 months, yeah. 6 to 12 months, and they were on sale for $4, $3.98, so that was a good deal. Got those. I got the onesies, like I said. Please tell me I got short sleeve. Okay. It took forever to find just regular short sleeve onesies that I got in. These are in 12 months because I didn't see like 9. I think they only sell like 3, 6, and 12 because I didn't see any 9 months. It was weird. But anyways, they're the same size. Sorry, at 20 pounds. So they'll be a little bit too big right now, but I'm sure she'll be fine. And then these tights were on sale. I just thought they were cute for $2.50. They're on clearance. And they were also pretty much all of these clothes were an additional 20% off from a cartwheel that I found. And I'm super excited because Michael gave me the okay to go ahead and paint the dining room today. Or not today, but this week, we've been just waiting for like money things because painting is so expensive. It'll be like $60 for paint, and then like another $30, $40 for primer, and then all the other stuff that you need to get, and it's really expensive to invest to get the paint, so we've been like waiting. But he said we can paint it this week, so I'm super excited to get that done, and one room will be light looking. I don't even think I talked to you guys about the paint. Anyways, I'm supposed to be painting, well, we're going to be painting, we're not going to be painting the bigger areas, like, you know, all of this. We're not going to be painting that until this summer, but it'll just look like it's color blocking for right now, because we're going to be painting the kitchen and the dining room right now, and then other rooms too, obviously, and like upstairs. But here's the paint that we decided on. We were going back and forth between all these colors, which are all tremendously lighter than the color that's on the wall, obviously. And we finally, actually, they all look the same on here. Well, that one looks a little bit lighter, and so do these two. But these three look ultimately the same. But we decided on this one, which is Versatile Gray. These are all from Sherwin-Williams, and they're easy to use. So we're going to be using this one, and I'm super excited how much lighter it's going to be in here. So yeah, we're going to start painting that then. I don't even know how I got on that. But anyways, I'm going to make lunch. We're just having leftovers since we ate out so much this entire time. I'm going to have my leftovers from Rio on Saturday from dinner that me and Michael went to, and Jaelynn's going to have leftovers from yesterday at Carrabba's. She had spaghetti, which she like really enjoyed because she ate a bunch of it. So I'm going to heat that up for her. So that lunch is quick and easy. And then I'll get cleaning. I'll probably give Rhilynn a little snack, give her a cookie or something, because she ate a bottle before we left the doctor. So anyways, my camera is dying, so I'm going to make breakfast or lunch like I said, and then start cleaning, and I will check in with you guys later. I just blabbed your ear off. I'm super sorry. But everything is a mess. Like, yeah, there's my airbrush machine for my cookies, which is super, there you go. Super exciting. I love this thing. And I'm getting my coffee cake today. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. The kitchen isn't that bad. A load of dishes and like moving like decor stuff that needs to be moved. And
In the meantime, I need to go find some lost things.
Hold on, little Miss Spare Parts. You're not going near the human house, are you?
Wait, there's a human house? I mean, that's, no, we stay away from humans. Oh, iridescent. Yeah. Tinkerbell knows that, don't you?
Play your toys upstairs. I'm clean. Okay. Eat it. Ah. What do you eat it? Eat it.
Of course, some carrots. And do you want to know how those? Not really. So do I. I think those balls are moved because this chain thing rotates. And I think what rotates the chain is this pig. Yes, they eat this roast to the human house. When they see us. I'm not curious. You know what video? I think this powers the whole thing. This, my dear, is exactly why tinkers shouldn't.
Okay, so we're back at home. Well, I've been at home, but I just went to it at Michael, and we are home. And my coffee cake came today. Is that how big it's supposed to be?
Yep.
Jeez. So Michael's put it together. Uh-huh. You sure can. I'm pretty sure you're the one who started it, but you know, whatever. Did you stop it? Did you stop it? Good. Thank you. Michael said he was gonna treat us to, or he was gonna handle dinner, so we ordered Buffalo Wild Wings. Handled. So we're doing that, which I'm pretty excited about. Wings are always yummy. And I'm excited for this here coffee cake. Did you read any instructions?
Instructions are for chumps.
And you are no chump.
Damn right.
Okay.
Who needs instructions?
People that need to put stuff together correctly.
If it plugs in, I know how to make it.
Wow, really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Courtesy of Bay. That's Bay. Got some wings. Michael got
I
like.
should go by Michael.
I mean, whatever. Bay is better. What sauces did you get?
Honey mustard, Caribbean jerk medium, and Parmesan garlic.
And I got Chipotle barbecue. And they're like chili con queso dip, which is good. And then celery ranch, and then, or celery and carrots, and then ranch and blue cheese. And then Michael also got me. What did I do with my drink?
Left it on the
How did I pick it up? Oh, he went and got some Jamaican Me Happy. So I got that. The vlog is just now going up, and it's 6:40. Actually, it's just exporting. So it will be up. Just up late. Sorry. What are you doing down there? What are you doing? Huh? You just hanging out? Are you just hanging out? Yeah? Did you get 3 whole shots today? Yeah. Did you get shots in your leg? Where you going? You backing it up? You back it up? Boo.